Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to get a 4K quality video from the CapCut application. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your CapCut, and now you need to open your projects too, or if you want to start editing your project, you just need to go create your project itself. So here I already have the project, and here is my project. I already have the sound and I already have the video, and I would like to save this video into the 4K quality. The thing that you need to do is just take a look on this upper right corner right here. There will be like one boxes that written there 1080p, so you need to go click it to explore these settings for the quality of your video to save. And here the resolution is 1080p. If you want to get a 4K, you just need to drag this point into the right side and in a 4K part. Don't forget also to change the frame rates from 30 to 60 to make the video movement is smooth, and you can also change the code rate of the video become the high one. But you need to remember that the size of your video that you will save, it's gonna be bigger whenever you change or increasing the resolution of the video. You can see that my video is 21.6 MB, but then after I change into the 4K, it's changed to become like 54, and whenever I change the frame rates, it's also changed become like 75.7, and the code rate after I change it into the high, it's also changed into like 88. So the higher the resolution, the higher the size that the video takes from your phone. That's the way, guys, how to get the 4K quality video on a CapCut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.